Hi guys, welcome back again to my channel. Very quickly I'll be making this lovely blouse for today's tutorial, and it's a vintage material I'll be using. Here is it, and then I'll take 1 inches down for the back and the front neck depth. So I'll be outlining the shoulder to shoulder, which is 16 inches divided into 2. So I will mark down my shoulder slope, which is 1 inches. I hope you all can see as I'm outlining it. So I'll take my 3 inches neck width, both the back and the front together, and then I'll connect it now. So after connecting this, I will go down from that 1 inch slope I just did. I'll go down by 8 inches. So after going down by 8 inches, which is my round armhole measurement, dividing it into 2. So I'll then take my bust measurement from that 8 inches I just measured down. I'll do next is where I took this armhole straight down. I'll divide it into 2. Then I'll go in by half an inch. Then I'll outline these 3 lines together, meeting with the bust measurement line I just did. So now I'll connect it from the shoulder slope to that point where I just outlined, and then I'll just be doing this with my pattern, with my marker, so you all can see it. Can you see how this looks? So I'll take the back measurements now. That will be for the back, and this is for the front, guys. So that is it. As you can see how that is now. So then I'll be connecting the shoulder slope meeting with the neck width. So guys, now I'll be outlining the front neck depth. If you want to go down by 3 inches, this is how you do it. So you curve it like so. So me, I'll be going for this 1 inches for both the back and the front. So after doing this now, I'll be extending the neck width now by 1 inches to make it up with 4 inches. So remember, I am going for this 1 inches here. So I'll be going in now by 1 inches on this shoulder slope I just made, as you can see me doing with my marker. So now I'll connect it to that 1 inches I'm having there. So when you're connecting it, make sure you still go up a bit from that 1 inches, so you get the neckline you want to, I want to achieve. Because I'm still going to be sewing this down, and I want it to be like upper from my from my neck point. I want it to be up a bit. So now I'll be extending the shoulder slope again by 1 inches also, because I want the top to look a bit stylish. So I'll connect it now with the front armhole curve, and again with the back armhole curve. As you can see, that is the new 2 lines we are having from that shoulder slope. I extended the shoulder and the neck width. So now this is the bust, and whatever you are having for the bust is what you'll be having for the whole of the body of the dress, of the blouse I'm making. So now I'll just cut this out following the illustration I just made. I'll first cut out the back. This is the back armhole now I'm cutting. So as you can see, I'm cutting it now. So you cut it and you leave few inches for the sewing allowance. So that is it for the back, and then I will remove one of it, and then I will concentrate on the shoulder for the on the armhole for the front. Remember, I've said earlier that the neckline I'm using both the same for the front and the back. So now I'll be cutting out this armhole for the front now. Just watch closely the way I do it. So that will be all for the cutting part of this. If you want to cut the neck depth for that, you can do that also. So as you can see how stylish this looks, this is the front panel. Now you can see how the shoulder is. So now I'll take another pattern for the sleeve. So I'll be cutting this into two now to achieve my sleeve I'm cutting. So after cutting it out, the next thing I'll be doing is taking my length, the length of the sleeve, and the length of the sleeve I'm working with is 22 inches plus 1 inches for sewing allowance. So now I'll be connecting this following the measurement of my armhole, the armhole I'm working with. As you well know how I used to cut my sleeve, so now I'll be tracing that out now, following the guideline of my actual measurements for the round armhole for my sleeve. So the wideness of the wrist depends on your preference, how you want it to be. So I will be leaving mine like so. Then the next thing I will do, I'll fold this into the way I'm doing it now, and then I will notch it at the center. After notching it, I will open it now. Then I will be taking my marker to, outline half inches downwards for the front armhole curve. Remember the armhole for the front, we went down by half an inch. So likewise, I'll be doing to this before cutting this out. And that will be all for the sleeve part. So I'll go to my machine now, I'll come back and show you. So this is it. As you can see, I already done it all together, and this is the sleeve. As you can see how neatly this looks, I just had to sew it down with half an inch, maintaining the bust measurement with 2 inches allowance. So now this is the neckline, and again here is the down part. I went up by 3 inches. As you can see how lovely this is. So it is looking so lovely. This is vintage material, guys. I also sell materials. You can get this fabric from me. You can get it from anywhere in the world. So now this is it. As you can see how lovely this looks. This is a gorgeous top, and you can easily wear it on a on a trouser, on a skirt, anywhere. So this is the bias now I'll be using for the neckline. So I'll just be turning this round it with the bias tape. So that will be all for this tutorial, guys. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, kindly do so. Subscribe to my channel, turn your notification bell on so as to get notified each time I upload new videos. Do well to like, comment, share this video with loved ones, and also please comment down below where you're watching this tutorial from. I would love to hear from you. So guys, until I see you again in the next one, bye.